So if you're asked to evaluate these two angles, you could start by drawing them just to get a visual of where they are. Negative 540. Negative means that we go clockwise, which means we go the opposite direction we would with a positive angle. So here's negative 360, full rotation. And after you take 360 out of 540, you have another 180 degrees to go. So negative 360 plus another negative 180, our angle that we're trying to draw lands right here. Okay. So that's the same thing for cosine too. It lands in the same place. To answer this question, there's no triangle that we can draw. We can't draw reference triangles to help us answer. What we can do, though, is we can use the fact that when you draw an angle on the unit circle, the x-coordinate is the cosine of that angle, and the y-coordinate of your dot is the sine of that angle. So if we're drawing our angle on the unit circle, this is a radius of 1. So that means that this coordinate is negative 1, comma 0, because we went one space back on the x-axis, 0 spaces on the y-axis. So this is our answer for negative 540. Cosine of negative 540 is negative 1. Sine of negative 540 is 0. So this one is 0. This one is negative 1. So pretty useful trick. If you need to find out the sine of an angle, draw on the unit circle. And if it lands right on a dot, like negative 1, comma 0, negative 1 is the cosine of the angle, 0 is the sine of the angle.